reaching your vision or your big dream. Often we just get so busy in life and we don't stop to think about where we're going or where we want to go. So, the first step to reaching your vision is having the right one and having the clarity to define what really fulfills you because it's all about creating a vision that is aligned to who you are and where you want to go. And so often, if we have the wrong vision, like I had the wrong vision for a lot of many years when I started my career, and it was all about more external success, trying to get approval by my family or society. And you really want to have a vision that's more internally motivated rather than extrinsically motivated. So that is the first step. And really thinking about the vision and writing it in detail in a way that like makes you want to jump out of bed and get started. And so having the vision and the right vision is the first part, but then there is the desire. How do we consistently show up to work towards our vision? That's where the whole journey is. And you want to make the journey as fulfilling and as rewarding as the destination. And so a lot of that path has to do with how you are uniquely wired in terms of your strengths and your values. Again, that's why I always talk about that. Oh, it's never too late. So I went down a wrong path for a long time and fatigued myself. I basically got adrenal fatigue and really had to take my 40s to get my health back. The older, the better. The wiser you are, the more clarity you have, and the deeper your impact is. There's a book called Late Bloomers, which talks about how there's so many people that didn't achieve their greatness or their calling until older, and how much more impactful the chances of success are also greater when you're older. So startups, the success rate is higher for over 45s, the number of Pulitzer Prize winners. So it's never too late. So this is what we're going to cover in the branding workshop. It's hard to do it solo, and that's where a community is really important. Read the rest of my newsletter, and I can't wait to see you there. Okay, bye.